Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Neeraj Kapse. So I'm going to demonstrate you today writing pen. So I have HuionH640P. It is a very good writing tab available. So you can purchase it online. So I'm going to demonstrate the features and what are the contents in the box. So unboxing of HuionH640P. It's very nice writing pad. Features of this HuionH640P. So I'll give you the features of this. HuionH640P is battery-free pen tablet. So no need of a battery for pen as well as the tablet. Only a USB cable is required to plug in with your laptop. So we'll see the details of this. I will turn out the box. The dimensions are 260 by 147 into 8 mm, so it's very thin. Then active area for this is 160 by 100 mm. Then pressure sensitivity is very good. It is having 8192 levels of a pressure sensitivity. Also hand input resolution is 5080 pixel, so it's very good pixel for the hand input resolution. Also it's having report rate for writing on the laptop is 233 parts per screen, so it's very nice report resolution. Reading height is 10 mm. Express keys is having 6 express keys, so we can configure those 6 express keys in the software. So we can configure each of the 6 keys. USB interface is having micro USB interface. Net weight is just 21 grams and it supports from Windows 7, Mac OS as well as Linux. So it's very nice tablet. So I will open this box. Okay friends, now I will open the box. Okay, so here it is a tablet. So we'll see the tablet afterwards. I will keep it aside. What are the contents in the box I will show you. There is one information guide. There is a web link available here. There is one warranty card. Then there is an information manual brochure. Here it is H640P. And there are another version is available is 950P. The size of 950P is bigger than this 640P. Then there is a user guide, information guide available to this. I will keep it aside. Then there is micro USB charger cable. So this tablet is battery free. There is no batteries available in this tablet. So there is one side USB, another side there is micro USB cable. Then there is a pen available. With this there are different tips available. So we can change this particular tips. So for changing the tips there is different pen tips available. So I will take it out. This thing. So here it is pen tip module, also the pen holder module. So we can keep the pen on the desk like this. There is a pen holder module. This is a pen. There are different ink jets available. So like we can change the end point of the pen, nib of the pen. Then we can fix it. Also this can be used as the pen holder. I will show you how we can put the pen. So this is the pen holder. We can hold the pen. So for this pen there are 2 inputs, 2 buttons. So we can configure these buttons. How to configure I'm going to tell you. So we can use this particular pen as a mouse as well. So left click and right click you can configure, and you can do both the ways, like you can write on the tablet as well as you can click in any of the folders by using this left click and right click. Okay, now I will explore the tablet. So I will take it out from the box. Okay, so here there are 6 keys available for this tablet. So we can configure each of the keys according to your requirement. We can have a shortkeys for this particular keys. Okay, on this side there is micro USB power adapter. So we can plug the power connection On this side there is a lock button available, so we can lock and unlock the keys. And there are 4 dots, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Within this particular area we need to write. So this is a particular writing area. Okay, so we'll see actual demonstration of this, how you can connect this to a laptop, which softwares you are going to use it for connecting this particular laptop, and then how we can write on the laptop. Now I will show you how you can connect this particular tablet with the laptop. There is a micro USB connector available, so you can plug the connector. I have connected the connector. Get this, and on other side we have USB cable, so we can connect this USB cable to any of the USB port of the laptop. Once you connect it automatically, so we can use it like this. So this is a pen, I can use it as a mouse. Okay, you can observe my cursor on the screen, this is moving. Now I will show you how you can write by using Epic Pen. So here it is a testing demo. We can change different colors. So here it is, you can use as a mouse. So I can select another color like this. So I selected blue color. So I can change the pointer. Okay, so I can draw like this. Okay, so this is very nice. So I can change another. I can use it as a mouse as well. So I can select this. So text. Okay, so once you practice by using this, you can get very good results. Okay, I will show you how you can configure this, how you can set writing area and everything using the software. I will demonstrate the software now. Okay, now we will see how we can get the software configurations of Huion Pen tablet HuionH640P. So there is a website known as huion.com. So you have to open this website. There are different versions available of this as well. Okay, so there is support available. In that support there is a download button. Once you click on a download button, you'll get a software link for the downloading. So there are drivers and manuals available for this. So you can select your OS, you can select your product model. So my product model is H640P. So I will go to this H640. Where it is, so here it is, H640P 8192 pin configuration rates. So select this particular thing. You have to select your OS, whether you are using Mac or Windows. Depending on that you need to select. I'm using Windows, so select this, then select what you need to download. Like there is 2 options, one is driver, another option is manual. So I will select driver and just hit a submit button. Once you hit the submit button, the selected drivers are available here. So these are H640P 8192 for the Windows. We'll have different releases available. So latest release is 660/2020. You can download it here. So there is a beta release. So also we have different releases available. So you can download it from here. Once you download it, you will get, I have already downloaded and installed. So we'll get installation icon here. There it is. So you can open it. Once you open, this is a configuration page. So we have 4 tabs here. One is the press keys, digital pane, work area and about. So how to set the press key? Just click on a press key. There are different buttons available. There are 6 buttons available. So if you want to configure first button, so click on first button. If you want to change it, just click there. You can have a custom name for the button. You can have control, then special symbol available. So if you want to select all, then there is a option Control A. So I have selected Control and then A. Okay, so click like this. So I have configured the first button. Second button is delete. So I have configured. If you want to configure it once again, just hit there, and if you want to change it, change like this. Okay, so clear the string and press the button from your laptop. Okay, here it is a backspace, or you can have a delete button for this as well. So delete. So if you want to require any special key, then you can select this as well. So click OK after this. Also similarly you can set all the buttons according to your requirement. Then the second option is digital pane setup. So here it is a pane setup. So what you need to do for left click and right click. So here I have configured this button as right click and this button as left click. How to configure it again? Just click on there and select this mouse right click. Also you can have middle button, you can have back wheel, we can have wheel forward and all. So all the functionalities you can do with this as well. And for this, here it is active or inactive, we can do a tip. So forward motion and reverse motion, we can have here sensitivity options. Also the pressure test we can do. So we can write something on this and we can do a pressure test. So once I press it more, so we can have a pressure test like this. So if I'm not pressing anything, so it's very small. If I'm pressing it, it's very big and thick. So we can have pressure test pins. So you can observe the lines there as well. Okay. So again, you can set work areas. So there are different work areas available. So we have full area, which covers full dimensions from this particular point, like from full window like this. So there are 4 dots available as I told. So you can set like this area, or we can have skin ratio as well. So you can configure anything. You can rotate the tablet. We can have 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree rotations as well. And the last we'll have about information. We can set all the settings to a default by clicking this button. After doing all the settings, just hit the apply button. All the settings are uploaded. Click OK after this. Then we can use any of the software to write. So as I'm using here Epic Pen, so here I'm testing it. So testing. So I need to select a pen, select it. The yellow color is there. So I'm writing test. So I have selected a big font. That's why it's coming like this. So we can write. For e-learnings and all, for mathematical equations and everything, so this tablet is very nice. So you can solve mathematics, or we can draw any of the circuits. So this is my R1, this is my R2, this is VDC. Okay, this is a voltage divider circuit. So we can change the color and we can show the current direction or how the current is flowing in the circuit. So for the explanation, this tool is very nice tool. Okay, thank you for watching this. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel HuionH640P for getting more updates or different technical videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you.